Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft bacon. To begin, select thick-cut bacon for a chewier texture. Arrange the bacon strips in a single layer in a cold pan. This allows the fat to render slowly and evenly. A non-stick pan or a well-seasoned cast iron skillet works best for consistent cooking. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect, tender result. Now, let's get cooking. Place your pan over medium-low heat. This gentle temperature is key to rendering the fat slowly without burning the meat. Flip the bacon every 2 to 3 minutes to ensure both sides cook evenly and remain pliable. As the fat renders, carefully pour off any excess from the pan. This prevents the bacon from frying too quickly and becoming overly crispy. To achieve that ideal soft texture, watch your bacon closely. Cook until the strips are a beautiful golden brown and still quite flexible when lifted. The goal is to render the fat and cook the meat without letting it get brittle. Remove the bacon from the heat just before it reaches your preferred level of doneness, as it will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. This ensures maximum tenderness. Once cooked to perfection, transfer your soft bacon to a plate lined with paper towels. This helps absorb any remaining excess grease, leaving you with delicious, tender strips. Serve your bacon immediately to enjoy its warmth and incredible flavor. It pairs wonderfully with eggs, pancakes, or even on its own. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly soft bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.